Good morning, students. Today we will do chapter number 6 of Moments, Weathering the Storm in Irsama. What is the meaning of weathering here? It means facing. This story is written by Harsh Mandir. I am going to explain the summary of this story. Students, this is a story about a 19-year-old boy, Prashant, who lived in a village called Kaliguda. One day he decided to go to his friend's house in Irsama, a small coastal town about 18 kilometers from his village. That night, a super cyclone struck the coastal towns. Winds blew at a velocity of 350 km per hour, followed by continuous rain and waves lashing in full fury. Many houses were washed away and many old trees got uprooted. Prashant's friend's house was made of mortar and concrete, so it withstood the fury, but all the rooms were flooded with water neck deep. The family took shelter on the roof. In the morning, he saw the destruction all around. He could see a vast patch of dirty water on which were floating dead bodies of human beings and animals along with tree branches. Prashant and the family were stranded on the roof there for a couple of days. For many days, Prashant thought about the fate of his family and was worried about them, so he decided to go back despite the fact that the family urged him to wait till flood receded, but he had made up his mind. It was a difficult trek back home because he had to wade through neck deep and sometimes waist deep waters and was also being pushed by the floating dead bodies. He finally reached his village and saw that the entire village was washed away. He was worried about his people and had almost given up hope of finding any survivors. Prashant went to the Red Cross shelter and found there most of the kith and kin. About 2,500 people were sheltered there and were surviving on tender coconut from the fallen trees. But that stock came to an end. Prashant realized that very soon there would be panic and grief. So he quickly thought of procuring food. He mobilized some youth and men and pressurized the merchant to part with his rice stock. He was successful in doing that. Then he procured firewood and motivated the women to cook the rice. He was also aware of the need to have hygienic living conditions, so as a group they all cleaned up the place. Later, he showed the children how to draw attention of the helicopters and signal to them to throw food parcels and other utilities. When he realized that the orphans and the widows were plunging into a mood of grief, he at once wanted to pull them out of that mood, and so made the women to work for food with an NGO, and for children he organized games. Prashant was also successful in rehabilitating them within the community so that no one felt left out and isolated. In this way, he was able to solve most of the physical, mental, and emotional needs of the people and became a favorite of all. So, the main character of this story is Prashant. Thank you, children.